Welcome to Freedom Review. Here I rank the top 5 products you can trust. In this video, I'm sharing the best cordless drills that I personally tested for power, torque, battery performance, comfort, and overall usability. Whether you're assembling furniture, drilling into wood, hanging shelves, or tackling home renovation projects, the right cordless drill makes all the difference. I tested each model in real-world scenarios, drilling into studs, driving long screws, working overhead, and using them for extended sessions to see how well they perform under pressure. Number 5. CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Drill. At number 5, I tested the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Drill, a reliable and well-balanced drill designed for everyday home projects. When I first picked it up, I immediately noticed the comfortable grip and lightweight feel, which made it easy to use for extended periods without fatigue. During testing, I focused on drilling power, screw driving performance, and battery life. The CRAFTSMAN V20 delivered solid torque for drilling into wood, drywall, and light metal. It handled basic tasks like hanging shelves, assembling furniture, and drilling pilot holes with ease. I also evaluated build quality and durability. The drill felt sturdy, and the trigger response was smooth. While it's not the most powerful drill on this list, it offers excellent value and dependable performance for everyday tasks. From my experience, the CRAFTSMAN V20 cordless drill is a great entry-level option for homeowners who want a reliable, comfortable, and easy-to-use drill for basic DIY projects. Number 4. AVID Power 20V Cordless Drill. At number 4, I tested the AVID Power 20V Cordless Drill, a budget-friendly drill that surprised me with its strong performance and versatile features. Right away, I noticed the ergonomic grip and lightweight design, which made it comfortable to use for long sessions. During testing, I focused on torque output, clutch accuracy, and overall usability. The AVID Power drill delivered impressive torque for its price range, handling wood, plastic, and light metal with no issues. It drove screws smoothly without stripping or stalling. I also evaluated accessories and build quality. The included bits and attachments were surprisingly useful, and the drill felt sturdy despite its lightweight frame. The LED light was bright and well positioned. Compared to other budget drills, the AVID Power model offered better torque, more control, and stronger overall performance, making it a great mid-range choice. From my experience, the AVID Power 20V cordless drill is ideal for users who want strong performance at an affordable price. Number 3. Flex 24V Cordless Drill. At number 3, I tested the Flex 24V cordless drill, a powerful and professional-grade drill designed for users who want serious torque and long-lasting battery performance. When I first used it, I immediately noticed the strong motor and premium build quality. During testing, I focused on power output, drilling speed, and heavy-duty performance. The Flex drill delivered outstanding torque, making it ideal for drilling into dense wood, metal, and masonry. It handled long screws and large drill bits with ease, showing no signs of slowing down. The clutch and speed settings were precise, giving me full control over drilling and driving. The LED light was bright and well-placed, illuminating the work area effectively. Compared to other drills, the Flex model offered superior power, longer battery life, and professional-grade performance, making it ideal for serious DIYers and contractors. From my experience, the Flex 24V cordless drill is a top choice for users who want maximum power and durability. Number 2. COMOWARE 20V Cordless Drill. At number 2, I tested the COMOWARE 20V Cordless Drill, a versatile and well-rounded drill designed for users who want strong performance and excellent value. From the first use, I noticed its smooth operation, comfortable grip, and reliable torque. During testing, I focused on drilling performance, screw driving accuracy, and battery efficiency. The COMOWARE drill delivered strong torque for drilling into wood, drywall, and light metal. It handled both small and large screws with precision, thanks to its accurate clutch settings. The variable speed trigger was responsive, allowing me to control drilling speed easily. This made it ideal for delicate tasks like installing hinges or assembling furniture. Compared to other mid-range drills, the COMOWARE model offered better torque, smoother operation, and more reliable performance, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced DIYers. From my experience, the COMOWARE 20V cordless drill is a top choice for users who want strong performance, great value, and dependable results. Number 1. PULITUO'S 20V Cordless Drill. At number 1, I tested the PULITUO'S 20V Cordless Drill, and it delivered the best overall performance in every category. From the moment I started using it, I noticed its powerful motor, smooth operation, and premium build quality. During testing, I focused heavily on torque, drilling speed, and overall versatility. The PULITUO drill delivered exceptional torque, making it ideal for drilling into dense wood, metal, and other tough materials. It handled long screws, large drill bits, and heavy-duty tasks with ease. Comfort and handling were excellent. The ergonomic grip and balanced weight made it easy to use for extended periods without fatigue. The drill felt premium, durable, and built to last. Compared to all other drills I tested, the PULITUO model offered the best combination of power, precision, battery life, and build quality, making it the top choice for anyone serious about DIY projects. From my experience, the PULITUO'S 20V cordless drill stands out as the best overall option because it delivers professional-grade performance, long-lasting durability, and exceptional control. Those are the best cordless drills based on my hands-on testing and real-world use. I evaluated each model based on torque, battery life, comfort, and overall performance. Each option offers different strengths, and the right choice depends on your project needs, skill level, and budget. For more details and current pricing, check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.